Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a birthday card in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So let's create a birthday card. So to start with, open up your Canva account. Then we're going to click onto the left-hand side on templates. So there's thousands of templates here, and we're going to search for a birthday card template by typing that into the search bar. And again, you can filter the style of birthday card. So what type of person are you giving the card to? Do they like something that's happy, watercolor, cute, floral, simple, colorful? There's so many different styles you can choose from. So I'm going to click on happy, and you can see some really sort of fun, happy designs come up. So have a scroll through and take your time to choose something that really would suit your friend, and you can edit it to your liking as well. Another thing you can do as well, you can type in something like animated. So if you're going to send the birthday card online to your friend, you can choose like an animated card, which makes it even more fun. You can see the writings animated. There's, like little balloons coming up, things like that. There's like all different animations you can have in your cards. It just makes it a little bit more fun. So let's have a look. I'm just going to go through and choose one of these animated ones. Then I'm going to go in and edit it a little bit further. So I quite like this first one. So I'm going to click on there and click to customize this template. So of course you want to go in and edit it and put your friend's name in. So let me see, what shall I put in? So I'll say happy birthday, Katie. And of course you can go in and you can edit all different elements here. I think it looks quite good, but I'm going to change a few things up. So say I wanted to change this bunting, so I can click on that, click on elements. So let's see what else they come up with. So it gives me other recommendations. Maybe I want to change that to string lights. So I'm just going to go, I'm going to edit, delete that one. I'm going to click on the graphics to see, and I'm going to say colored as well, so they stand out. So I quite like these lights. So that'll be put onto my design, and I'll want to edit it a little bit just to make it sit a little bit better, so I can add those onto the other side as well. So I'm going to click on that design, click the plus sign to duplicate it and put it over onto the other side. So I quite like all the animations here, so I might leave that how it is. So when you're happy with your card, just give it a name. So I'm just going to say Katie B-Day card. And then you can download it and send it to your friends. So clicking on share, clicking on download, and if it's got those animations in, download it as a video. And that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.